We are very selective, sir, as to where our dogs go. We do have an interview process that begins by reading the home and puppies pages of our website. Just those 2 pages. After you do that, sir, you can let me know. We'll do about a 15-minute telephone interview at first, and then just proceed contingent on that. Of course, 2-way road, you should be interviewing me also.
Okay.
But as far as right now, sir, do you have any questions?
Not so far. I did read your whole website earlier on today, and I was very impressed. And you know, especially the fact that about the American Kennel Club, I wasn't aware of all that when I read it, so I found it very interesting. But I am very impressed with your program, and we don't live too far from you. We're in Kentucky, you know, as part of the interview process, if you wanted us to come and visit you at some point, and
that would be, well, actually, Andrew, that would be the second interview.
Okay.
But the first interview, it's just a few minutes over the phone.
It's still raining, so I just dried my hair for nothing. Look at all the options. Ooh, which one is your favorite? I like this Ottoman style, that's cool. Very warm. I like that one, I like the hints of dark. Oh, and there's blues. Lowe's is becoming my favorite store.
Sign up to Gia's free newsletter linked below to get updates on all things high quality living, elegant outfit ideas, and monthly style mood boards. Here you will get early access to exclusive news and all her social media in one place without spending time on apps. Now back to the video.
The one that I'm looking for that I saw online was white marble, but with really dark flecks that goes across. Marbling bits were really dark and dramatic. And it goes really good against the dark mahogany. Yes, yes.
The Thunder White matte porcelain, is that it?
It looks like, yeah, I would definitely like that a lot.
Okay, so $5 a piece, or...
This is not too shabby. I'm getting this one for the floor and the walls of the bathroom. It goes great with mahogany. I'm in love with this. I want to take this home with me. I think this is slightly bigger than what we have. No. I really like this one. You see how it's really dark? That's dirt in between. Oh, so pretty. I didn't know KitchenAid made fridge and oven appliances. Are they all soft close?
So look at the difference if you move your bag.
Luxury. Okay, what's the difference?
Okay, so like, look at this one. You've got the piece there. And move it in and out and you'll feel the difference.
Can you hold my bag?
Yeah. Okay, now move the next one.
Yeah, that feels like a hotel.
Yeah. And if you close this one.
Oh, soft close. Does this have? Yikes. Okay. Oh my gosh. We're getting the luxury.
Like these. Storing things in, I think it gives you a lot more access to the back.
This is my favorite for the countertop. Definitely going for this. This is one of my favorite smells in the whole entire world. Wood.
Is they only do it on a night time, but they poop and they eat straight from their butt. so that they digest the second time. And that's how they're able to. He came out yesterday when I was unloading the car before we went to get the rabbits, and he said hi, and then he shouted Piper, Gemma, and they just like rockets.
Doggies, come here.
Come on,
So
Piper,
there's a
Gemma.
calf in there, you can see. She's newborn. And they're protecting her. I think this is the mom. They're just watching over her, make sure nobody touches her. So, have a good little nap. Hi, kitty face. Okay, so that black one is the bull, and he will charge you if you touch his calves or wives. I always forget how vast and hilly it is. There's some kind of berry here in this shrub. It's very red. If anyone knows, let me know in the comments. Oh, it is so slippery. Oh, those thorns. Yeah, they look huge.
You wouldn't want to fall into that. That would
eviscerate you open. So this is what they look like a raspberry, but
yeah. I thought raspberry bushes were lower, but have to have a look.
Look, they ran all the way across the pond already.
You know, even if we just had this area here, it would still be incredible. We got this and everything else too.
The hill, the sky. So up to that fence post there, that is also ours. I don't feel it because I can see drops in the pond. Yeah. That's rain?
Or is that? I can see rain when I look around. Yeah.
Oh, I'm starting to see it. You can hear the cutest ducks and birds. Choop, choop, choop. And there was a duck like quack, quack, like that. You see the birds up there. Oh yeah, I got a raindrop on my head or someone is spitting. This is Piper. Oh, be careful. This is why we need good boots. Gemma went onto the road somewhere and now she's gone. Look at this thistle. Looks like it's off to go to war. Holy moly, don't fall on that.
It's like the joke about Scotsmen. Have you heard that one?
A real Scotsman.
The toughest men in the world because they run around in a country with waist-high thistles while wearing a kilt with no underwear.
Yeah, real men don't wear underwear under the kilts. This is my favorite part of the land, the plateaus, top of the hill. That's where I want to build the house. Oh. Is that a frog, a toad?
Yeah.
There's a pond there. It's really loud though, huh?
Very big actually. It's very green now.
Yeah, I noticed our pond is going back to be a bit more balanced. Is he looking for food?
No, it's probably territorial.
It sounds like pulling on a banjo string.
Yeah.
On a loose one.
Oh, look at that.
Look at it. Oh, what are those?
Are you checking? I can't see from here.
They're running across. The whole family? They're so fast. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Okay, it looks like we're going to need to get our
rifles?
Yeah, long range.
What are they doing? Are they just eating anything here?
Probably like bugs and grubs.
We'll have a big Thanksgiving. A proper thing. We just walked across from there to here. There's more land. And that's the plateau. Outside of those trees, the other side is my favorite part. This is another area, and then this is another area. And this is, I think the turkeys or pheasants, grouse all went into the trees. Oof, stinks. Not as bad as when it was super hot though. It's actually quite fresh today. Just that one little plots was, oof. It's warm, it's nice, but humid for sure. Look at how vast and grand those trees are, how high they are. It's hard to tell on camera, but it's really a sight to behold. And all these trees. It's taken decades to grow. This tree has a parasite. So crazy. Looks like they just dumped waste, like all the washing machines, all the appliances. They look really old too. There's a lot of flies here. Oh. It's only up to now that the flies started bothering me. It's really muggy, so I just want to go in and take a shower. This is what I like about cows. They pave the way and knock things down. Oh, so that's something. This is nice. Piper, don't drink from there. It's really hot. Look, it's covered. Look at the building. Is it the barn?
Yeah.